Good morning, first graders. So today we're going to continue our work with adding and subtracting in word problems. Are you ready? So here we go. Add and subtract in word problems. It says, Brooke has 7 stamps, but she uses 4. How many stamps does she have now? So she has 7, but she used 4. So we need to figure out how many does she have left? Well, we could start at 4 and count on to 7. So we could draw a picture. So if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, so right here is 4. Now I can use another color and count on. So 4, 5, 6, 7. So this one was 5, 6, 7. And how many blue ones do we have? We have 3. 1, 2, 3. So that means she has 3 stamps now. So she started with 7, and now she has 3 because she used 4. We have a new problem to solve today. It says Jan has 6 pencils. She gives some away. Now she has 5 pencils. How many pencils does she give away? So we need to figure out what's the problem about. Well, we know it's about Jan and how she has 6 pencils. We also know that she gives some away. And now she has 5 left. And the question is asking, how many does Jan give away? So the equation they showed us is 6 take away something to equal 5. So we need to figure out what number is going to replace that question mark. Here we go. So find 6 take away blank equals 5. So we're going to start with 5. How many more make 6? So we have 5, and then we make a jump and we get to 6. So that means we have 5 plus 1. Now, what if we want to go back? Here it says 6 take away. I noticed this red arrow makes 1 jump to get back to 5. So 6 take away 1 equals 5. So how many pencils did she give away if she started with 6 and ended at 5? 1. She gave away 1 pencil. Here's another problem. Indy has 7 orange slices. She eats 5. How many does she have left? So we know this problem is about Indy and how she has 7 orange slices. We also know that she eats 5. And the question is asking, how many does she have left? So if she started with 7, we know she ate 5. So let's count back. So 7 take away 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what number did we stop at? 2. So 7 take away 5 is 2. Now 5 plus what equals 7? Well, let's start at 5 and let's see how many jumps we need to get to 7. So 5, 6, 7. So we needed 1, 2 jumps. So 5 plus 2 equals 7. 7 take away 5 is 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. So that means she has, what's the answer? She has 2 slices left because she started with 7 and she ate 5, which leaves us at 2. Here's another problem. It says There are 9 cats. 4 are black. The rest are orange. How many are orange? So we know this problem is about cats. We know that there's 9 total. We also know that 4 are black. The rest are orange. But we don't know how many are orange. So that's what the question is asking. How many are orange? We need to answer that. So if we started with 9, or that's the total. So we want to stop at 9. So I'm going to underline that. Now we know that 4 are black. So we're going to jump to 9 and see how many jumps we need to make. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we'll put the brakes on and stop there. How many jumps did we make? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4 plus 5 equals 9. Now let's try. We want to make sure that when we take away 5, it will equal 4. So we'll start at 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It does equal 4. We could also double check this by doing 9 take away 4 equals, and what does it equal? If we start with 9 and we take away 4, so starting with 9, let's take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What number did we stop at? 5. So 9 take away 4 is also 5. So if 4 of the cats were black, that means 5 of the cats are orange. Ooh, here's our last problem for today. It says, use counters to solve. So let's read the problem first. It says, Aisha had some beads. Joanna takes 3. Aisha now has 5 beads. How many beads did Aisha have to start? So who's this problem about? Well, we know it's about Aisha and how she has some beads. We know that Joanna takes 3. How many does she take? 3. Aisha now has 5 beads, so that's what she ends with, is 5 beads. And that's Aisha. So Aisha now has 5 beads. The question's asking, how many beads did Aisha have to start? So we want to know, how many did she start with? So in this problem, it might be a little easier to work backwards. So we know that Aisha now has 5 beads. So in the box labeled A for Aisha, I'm going to put 5 counters in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, resembling the 5 beads she has left. We know that Joanna took 3 of Aisha's beads. So instead of taking the 5 that she has left, we're going to put 3 beads in here because these are the 3 beads that Joanna took because Aisha now has 5. So now what we need to do is count. So if we have our equation, we have blank plus blank equals, and we want to figure out how many she started with. Well, we know that she has 5 left. Aisha does. So we need to figure out what plus 5. Well, Joanna took 3, so there's her 3. So if we're adding these together, we have the 3 that Joanna took plus the 5 that Aisha has now, And we need to count them to figure out the total. So how many do we have? We have 5 in this box, 6, 7, 8. So how many beads did Aisha start with? 8. Because Johanna took 3 and Aisha had 5 left over. So if we added those counters together, Aisha started with 8. And that is the end of our lesson for today. So now it's your turn to practice. So you're going to be able to practice using an iReady practice activity that Miss Hewes prepared for you. And if you have any questions or concerns or just want to say hi, you can have your parent, whoever's watching you, shoot me an email, shoot me a text, or give me a call. I miss you all very, very much, and I hope to see you soon. I hope you're staying home and having lots of fun doing activities at home and staying safe and healthy. Have a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.